Let's start with clutch 1. This is for the odd gears, i.e. first, third, and fifth gear, as well as reverse gear. It is the outer and therefore larger clutch, as the highest torque is transmitted in first gear. As already explained, the torque is transmitted to the outer disc carrier. When clutch C1 closes, with oil pressure being controlled by the mechatronics in the oil pressure chamber C1, the torque is transferred from the outer disc carrier to the inner disc carrier via the outer and inner discs. This is connected to the drive shaft 1 via a gearing, which therefore also rotates at engine speed. In this design, clutch 1 has a disc spring that opens the clutch as soon as there is no longer any oil pressure in the oil pressure chamber 1. Here you can see an original clutch from a dual clutch transmission, the housing with cover and the gearing that connects to the dual mass flywheel. There is usually a retaining ring on the cover, which I have already removed. Once the cover has been removed, the outer disc carrier of clutch 1 can be seen. This houses the outer discs of clutch 1. The inner disc carrier of clutch 1 can also be seen, with the teeth that connect it to drive shaft 1. After removing the first outer disc, you can see an inner disc sitting on the inner disc carrier. The image shows clutch 2. It is responsible for power transmission to subtransmission 2, and thus for the straight gears, i.e. second, fourth, and sixth gears. Here too, the torque is transmitted to the outer plate carrier of clutch 2. When clutch C2 closes by the piston C2 being actuated by the oil pressure in the oil pressure chamber C2, the power is transferred from the outer disc carrier via the outer and inner discs to the inner disc carrier and via the teeth to drive shaft 2, which is designed as a hollow shaft. Drive shaft 2 rotates at engine speed. A coil spring is used to open clutch 2. After removing the inner disc carrier from clutch 1, the following parts of clutch 2 are visible. The outer disc carrier, the outer discs, slightly concealing the inner discs, and the inner disc carrier. In the center is the gearing that connects to drive